Wait.
Hello everyone. Now that they've stopped playing Mario Kart Wii Test Track, it's my turn. And I enjoyed the flower kart. And the first race is Doughnut plates, but it's the one of a kind. So now I'm gonna step out of the way and I'm gonna
Show the racers.
show the track. So there's the track. Alright, and now here's the racers. The racers are Diddy Kong, Peach, Bowser Jr., and Red Yoshi. Alright. So this is a 3-lap race. Instead of a 3-lap, it's a 4-lap. Alright, so now for further ado, let's stop and let's go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Micah, fix the ramp. There you are.
Behind you. Missing a racer. Behind you.
Fine, hold it up.
Peach is running out of energy. I think Peach is running out of gas.
Oh no, Peach is running out of gas! Oh wait, what's this? Diddy Kong is passing. I think I will take second. Ooh, come next. Gotta be close between these two. Looks like Red Yoshi has been clean. Oh no! It looks like Peach is caught up. Yeah! Yes! Red Yoshi has it. And he will win the 3rd place. This results in Peach. Calculating results. Calculating results. Bowser Jr. first.
Hurry.
Diddy Kong second. Red Yoshi third. And Peach second last. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this video starring Bowser Jr., Diddy Kong, Red Yoshi, and Peach. Supported by my Micah Set Singer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and subscribe for more.